strike, but Arnold Dali is there. Pedersen now goes for the stage. Gdrar goes across, and it is right in the centre. Mads Pedersen, Gdrar, biniamgirmay. Biniamgirmay wins his first ever stage of the Tour de France for Eritrea.
China news agency CGTN also reported, Eritrea's Biniamgirmay became the first black African rider to win a stage on the Tour de France when he prevailed in a reduced bunch sprint at the end of the third stage on Monday. Gdrar, who was already the first black African to win a Grand Tour stage at the 2022 Giro d'Italia, timed his effort to perfection to beat Colombian Fernando Gaviria and Belgian Arnaud Delay, second and third respectively.